Hello dear friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. In this class we want to solve this question 137. F of x plus f of 1 over 1 minus x is equal to x. F of x is equal to question mark. We want to find the function of f of x. Here we have f of x plus f of 1 over 1 minus x is equal to 1. We call relation 1. Step 1, replace x by 1 minus x in equation 1. In equation 1, if we replace this one, we get f of 1 over 1 minus x plus f of 1 minus 1 over 1 minus 1 over 1 minus x is equal to 1 over 1 minus x. F of 1 over 1 minus x plus f of, we simplify this fraction 1 over. Here we can simplify this fraction 1 over 1 minus 1 over 1 minus x. It is equal to 1 over 1 multiplied by 1 minus x minus 1 divided by 1 minus x. It is equal to 1 over 1 plus 1 minus 1, it is equal to minus x. These two cancel. Over 1 minus x, it is equal to 1 minus x over minus x. Or we can write x over x minus 1. Then we can write x over x minus 1. It is equal to 1 over 1 minus x. We call equation 2. Step 2. Step 2. Replace x by x minus 1 over x in equation 1. Here we get f of instead of x we can write x minus 1 over x plus f of 1 over 1 minus, instead of x we can write x minus 1 over x is equal to x minus 1 over x. Now we simplify this fraction 1 over 1 minus x minus 1 over x. It is equal to 1 over 1 minus 1 multiplied by x, x minus x plus 1 over x. These two cancel. It is equal to 1 over x. It is equal to x. Therefore, we can write f of x minus 1 over ax plus f of x is equal to x minus 1 over x. We called relation 3. Now we step 3. Here in step 3 we add equation 1 plus equation 2 minus equation 3 minus equation 1 f of x plus f of 1 over 1 minus x this equation plus equation 3, it is equal to x. equation 1. Equation 2, equation 3, f of x minus 1 over x plus f of x is equal to x minus 1 over x. Equation 3. Equation 2, subtract equation 2. Then equation, here is equation 2. We change the sign of terms of this equation. Minus f of 1 over 1 minus x minus f of x over x minus 1 is equal to minus 1 over 1 minus x. It is equation 2. Now if we add here, these two cancelled, also this by this cancelled, then we get f of x plus f of x to f of x is equal to x plus x minus 1 over x minus 1 over 1 minus x. It is belongs to equation 2. 2 into f of x is equal to, we take common denominator x into 1 minus x multiply by x minus x, x multiply by x square into 1 minus x plus x minus 1 multiply by 1 minus x plus x. Now it is equal to x multiplied by 1 x square multiplied by 1 x square plus plus multiplied by minus, it is equal to minus x square multiplied by x cube plus x multiplied by 1 x plus x multiplied by minus x square minus 1 multiplied by plus 1 is equal to minus 1 minus multiplied by minus plus 1 multiplied by x plus x over x into x1 minus x. These two cancelled. Here this sign is minus. Also this minus by plus x cancelled, then we get it is equal to minus x cube plus x minus 1 over x into 1 minus x. It is equal to minus x cube minus x plus 1 over minus x into x minus 1. It is equal to x cube minus x plus 1 over x into x minus 1. Therefore, now we divided both sides by 2. Then we get f of x is equal to x cube minus x plus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by x into x minus 1. It was the answer of this question. Thank you.